evening, everyone. You're all very welcome to your presentation ceremony in June 2021. It's been a long time coming and it's very well deserved. So I just wanted to welcome you and your families, and I hope you have a lovely evening. And I'm going to pass on now to the rest of my colleagues who have a few words for you. And then I will be back with the closing remarks a little bit later. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. You're very welcome to this graduation ceremony for the Diploma in Dental Nursing. I'd like to welcome all of you, our graduates, and your families and friends who may be watching with you on a computer screen somewhere. What a roller coaster ride you have had when you commenced your time in UCC. Little did any of us know where we would go, the journey we would go on that started at the beginning of this year. I'm delighted that you're all in this position today to graduate as dental nurses, but I am sorry that the experience for you during your training was so affected by the COVID pandemic. During that time, the way we had to teach was changed utterly. And today, instead of having a ceremony where we were side by side in probably the Isle of Max or some other lecture facility within the university, where we had a chance to meet and to talk and to laugh and to meet each other's families, we have to do all of that remotely today. However, that does not take away from the importance of this day for you. This is an extremely important red letter day in your lives. For many of you, it's probably the beginning of the rest of your professional life as a dental nurse. A very worthy profession and a very important job to take out into the community to deal with patients at all stages of their nervousness and their anxiety, and to help them experience dentistry in a positive and optimistic way. You are healthcare professionals. You are belonging now to a profession allied to dentistry, and you must carry with you all of the professional education that hopefully you have learned during your time in UCC. The well-being of your patient must always come first. You must behave in a professional manner at all times. You must show caring, you must show empathy, you must show respect in all your activities and in what you do going forward. Hopefully the training that you have had here has equipped you to do that. The dental nurse is an extremely important part of the dental team. Much dentistry, and particularly with the advent of COVID-19, much of dentistry has become much more digital, much more IT based, but we still have not learned how to hold a hand, rest a reassuring hand on a shoulder of a patient who is nervous, talk somebody around who is nervous and frightened of the dentist, and be there for them during and after any procedure that they are scared about. And that's an extremely important role. You will also have learned a bit about the technology associated with dentistry. It's important for you to know that as well. Some of you may decide that dental nursing is absolutely the profession that you wish to stay in. Others may decide to branch out and use dental nursing as a very useful stepping stone, or rung in a ladder, if you like. But whatever your plans are for the future, I want you to remember your alma mater, UCC. I want you to remember with fondness the time that you spent here in the advent of COVID-19, all the things that you've learned, all the things that you carry with you, and I hope friendships forged amidst these tricky and difficult times. So today I'd say congratulate yourselves, thank your parents, your partners, anybody who supported you on this journey, and look forward to the future with hope in your heart and optimism. And the very best of luck to all of you. Well done.
And now we're going to present the diplomas in dental nursing. Irina Bondarenko. Alana Butler. Sarah Cade. Sarah Clear. Aisling Clohessy O'Mani. Joanne Conway. Elaine Corkery. Lauren Corkery. Sarah Louise Crowley. Aisling Devine. Siobhan Flynn. Niamh Ford. Cynthia Gallant Roach. Tara Gearan. Claire Griffin. Donna Hutchinson. Aoife Jennings. Ciara Kavanagh. Sinead Keating. Julianne Marr. Nicole Malone. Rachel Merritt. Amy Murphy. Aileen Nolan. Karina Nova. Louise O'Connor. Ellie O'Connell. Enya O'Donnell. Olivia Ryan. Karolina Sokolska. Alison Tiernan. Aoife Tobin. Leah Tuig. Aoife Toomey. Lee Villasar.
Hello, everybody. Thank you very much for the opportunity to speak with you all today. It's a great honor. In normal circumstances, I would love to have been there with you in person, but for obvious reasons, this medium is the one we've become quite used to over the last year. But we hope to get back there and just engage with you in person and your colleagues in the school once it is safe to do so. It has been a difficult year for you all and for us all, and I guess that's just saying the obvious. But I guess it's important to recall that I guess it demonstrates how resilient you all have been as a student cohort, and you've been a credit to yourselves and a credit to the school for your perseverance and for your engagement with the I guess the precautionary measures which allowed your program to continue and that allowed you to proceed to graduate today. So that's a wonderful achievement, and that shouldn't be lost on any of you or any of us. It's important to acknowledge the measures that have been taken by your school throughout this last year, which prioritize your safety and which prioritize the safety of your patients. So it's a great credit to the school as well that they have managed to, I guess, keep the show on the road in such a professional and safe manner with all the correct priorities in place, which were to do with student and patient safety. You're about to commence your career in nursing. This is a very important day which will mark that. So you will shortly be commencing a very important career. It's a career which you have chosen yourselves, which is in care. It's a very important role that you will play now in the dental team, and it's a great, I guess, decision that you yourselves took when entering the program to care for patients, which is I guess speaks volumes in and of itself. As you commence this career in nursing, and I guess there will be nerves and anticipation, etc., I guess you should take confidence from a number of measures, I guess, including in the quality of the program that you've just completed. It is a program which has been subject to, I guess, engagement and inspection and approval by the Dental Council as the dental regulator. And we're very happy to confirm that it has met all our requirements. It meets international standards, and your program reviews include visitors from other jurisdictions, international observers who have all commented on the quality of the program. So do bear that in mind as you commence your careers, that everything you have completed has been to the highest of standards. I guess I'd really like to just congratulate you on this significant achievement, and I hope that you plan to celebrate this evening with your family and with your friends, and rightly so. It is a wonderful day for you all. Dental Council, we normally like to sort of support the program through the sponsorship and award of 2 particular prizes. And I'm very happy to announce that the prize for the highest grade for the full-time cohort goes to Rachel Merritt. So congratulations, Rachel, on a huge achievement. Well done. And the highest grade for the part-time cohort of students goes to Sarah Crowley. So again, Sarah, many congratulations. So as I said, congratulations on this huge achievement. You should be very happy with yourselves. Wish you the very best of luck in your future career as dental nurses. Dental Council, we are here to support you in any way that we can. We are not to be seen as, I guess, anything other than a supportive measure to work with you in the best interest of your patients. And we look forward to I guess, working alongside you in the years to come. Congratulations again, and please enjoy your evenings. Take care. Bye-bye.
Good evening. You're very welcome to this presentation ceremony. On your behalf, I would like to welcome your family and your friends and anybody that has supported you through this course of study. I'm sure that you know, you've relied heavily on your family for your support through this time. I know you've made a lot of friends during your course of study, and hopefully those friendships will endure. It's very important that you keep in contact, because we don't want to be isolated in our profession. You need your contacts, you need your friends, so it's important that you do that. You've been a great class, and it's been a pleasure teaching you and knowing you, and I know that you will all go on to very good careers in dental nursing or wherever the path may take you. We've had a lot of hurdles throughout your time here. For example, how to load the perfect Toffelmeyer and how to mix the perfect ZOE. I'm sure you've all had nightmares over some of those items, but you've come through. You've all endured. It hasn't been easy because there's been a lot more online that we would have liked because of the situation, but you've stepped up to the plate, you've engaged with us, and I know there was a lot of information coming you, particularly for the clinical week, but you got through it. And this is a very joyful day for all of you, and I hope that you will celebrate this evening. It's very important, Siobhan was talking about putting your certificate up in your practice, but also update your website, okay? Put your profile up, put your area of special interest, be it orthodontics or oral health. Promote your practice. Promote your practice now you're qualified as a dental nurse through UCC. So promote that fact, all right? That's really important. I would like to thank all of the staff here in the dental school and UCC for supporting you, all the admin staff, the lecturers, particularly the dental nurses on the clinic. They've been fantastic in supporting you, and I know you've all, particularly the internal students, have become good friends with the staff here. Particularly Neil Nash has been such a support to us in terms of the technical side of it and and putting together this program tonight. Without him, we'd be lost. Also, the health board have been very, very supportive through us, particularly with our full-time students, and hopefully the students next year will get to go out again into the community. The internal students, we miss you already. You've been a huge asset to the dental school here, and the staff would like to thank you for your contribution towards the life of the dental school. It's very important to keep up to date with your CPD, with your continuing professional development. Education is a journey. This, for some of you, will hopefully just be the start. Okay, our profession is changing month by month, and we've had to change, so much because of the pandemic with regard to cross-infection control and AGPs. So keep up to date what's coming down the line. There's lots of courses out there that you can do, and some of you will go on to study further. And that's fantastic. And life is about the journey and the learning journey, and we're still here learning, even at my age. So again, I would like to thank all of your families on your behalf for your support, your partners. It hasn't been easy for the part-time students. You have worked maybe long days, and then you have to study at night and weekends and all of that, and you've made lots of sacrifices, and some of you have families. So this is a huge achievement, and for our full-time students, you've worked very, very hard here, and now is the time to sort of leave the nest and to make your careers, and hopefully they'll be long and productive ones. So I just like again to wish you a lovely evening. I hope you celebrate it, and because it is a huge achievement, and we're sorry that we can't see you in person, but if at any stage you ever need us for anything, please email us or call to the office when you can, and we'll do our best to support you. So thank you again, and wishing you the very, very best of luck. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody, and especially our dental nursing graduates and their families. I want to wish you all a very heartfelt congratulations, and I want to say how proud I am of every one of you girls. You can be so proud of your own achievement over the past 16 months and for our full-time program of 2 years. A lot of hard work has been crammed into this period. Not only have you written 3 exam papers, you've done your CPR training, you've done an OSCE exam, you've written up your clinical portfolio of experience, you've done your assignments and case studies, also attending on a Wednesday night lectures, as well as working full-time in practice and also tending to normal family life. I want to acknowledge that for some girls, the path to graduation was more difficult than for others. And because of your hard work and diligence, you're all graduating here today. You can be very proud of yourselves for achieving your dental nursing diploma. I'm just going to quote an American writer who says, "You can't control how smart you are, how funny you are, or how good looking you are. And the one thing you can control in your life is how hard you work." Today, for all of you, this is the start of a journey, not the end of the road. Some of you will continue to study and may go on to dental hygiene. Others may choose to study orthodontic therapy, and some of you are already planning to move abroad to Australia. Just know the world is your oyster. Most of you girls will continue to work and practice, or may move on to the health board, enriched with the knowledge and experience gained from doing this course. Whatever path you choose, I wish you every success and happiness. I want you to enjoy this evening with your family and your friends. I want you to stay safe, and just knowing at the end of this very hard year that we've had, to be kind to each other, to show each other kindness. It goes a long, long way. Again, heartfelt congratulations to you all, and best of luck. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hello again, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed the speeches that have been carried out before mine, and everyone is really proud of you, and they are offering their warmest congratulations. And I would like to now extend my congratulations to you all. You've all done extremely well in what has been a very difficult period of time. You started your course of study in the normal way, in class, and then in the midst of a pandemic, we had to shut down. We had to move all of our lectures online, our exams went online, some exams were postponed, some of you had difficulty in continuing on with your clinical hours because of surgeries closing, etc. But you've all made it today, and you've all done really, really well. So congratulations on that. Well done. It is very, very well deserved. So you're qualified now. You're qualified dental nurses from UCC. And with that, you should all have your parchments now. So I think that it's only deserved that you display your parchment with pride on the wall of the surgery that you work. You are part of a dental team, and you are an integral part of that team. With saying that, I would also strongly advise that you all register with the Dental Council and with the Irish Dental Nurses Association. If you register with the Dental Council, you can put registered dental nurse after your name. With the Irish Dental Nurses Association, they will continuously contact you with continuing professional development courses on an ongoing basis. This is not the end, it is only the beginning. You need to continue with your study, you need to continue with your education, and you need to register with our professional registering body. So again, I know I've said it already, but to reiterate, I really, really do strongly advise that you register with the Irish Dental Council. Now, each year you've all done extremely well, but we do present University College Cork prizes to two people. One person that has achieved the highest overall result in the part-time cohort of students, and the other person gets the prize for the overall highest mark in the full-time students. So the person that we are awarding in the part-time cohort of students this year is Sarah Crowley. Well done, Sarah. That's a huge achievement. You should be really, really proud. And for the full-time students, the person achieving this award is Rachel Merritt. And again, Rachel, you should be equally as proud. You do have some competition, and the marks are extremely high. So for the two of you to achieve what you have achieved is really fantastic. The full-time award is called the Eilish O'Mahony Perpetual Award. Eilish O'Mahony was a dental nurse tutor in the dental school and hospital many years ago, and unfortunately she was taken from us far too soon. So we created this award in her honour and in her memory, and to always remember her contribution to dental nursing education. So thank you to Eilish, and well done to the two girls that have achieved the highest overall marks. So girls, I don't have anything left to say to you other than huge congratulations, well done, and enjoy the rest of your evening, and hopefully we will see you all again at some point, possibly working here in the dental school and hospital, or maybe coming back for continuing professional development days that we run. Enjoy your evening. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you.